Oral-B electric toothbrushes use colored LED lights to keep you informed about battery level, brushing mode, pressure, and smart connectivity. Green typically means a strong battery charge, yellow or orange signals a medium level, and red warns that the battery is low. A flashing red light usually indicates critical battery that needs immediate charging. Brushing modes also use color cues. Many models show blue for daily clean, purple for sensitive or gum care, white for whitening, and green for deeper cleaning modes. The pressure sensor works through light changes as well. A steady light means you're brushing correctly, while flashing or pulsing warns that you're pressing too hard. Most models also include a quad pacer timer that briefly pauses every 30 seconds and gives a longer signal at the 2-minute mark. Smart models may show blue pulsing lights during Bluetooth pairing and solid blue when connected to the app. If indicator lights stop working properly, start by cleaning the charging contacts with a dry cloth. If that doesn't help, hold the power button for about 10 seconds to reset the device. For battery display issues, run a full discharge and uninterrupted recharge cycle. Replacing worn brush heads can also fix pressure sensor errors.